Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make natural gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients: 1/4 cup of fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and 1 tablespoon of a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. You will also need a gummy bear mold. This simple combination creates a delicious and wholesome treat. The gelatin gives them their signature bounce, while the fruit juice offers a burst of natural flavor. Let's get started on this fun and easy recipe. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour 1/4 cup of your chosen fruit juice into a small saucepan. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin over the juice, allowing it to bloom for about 5 minutes. Then, gently whisk the mixture over low heat until the gelatin is fully dissolved and the liquid is smooth. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the gelatin's ability to set properly. This step ensures a consistent texture for your gummies. Once the gelatin is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in 1 tablespoon of your natural sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, until it's fully incorporated. You can taste the mixture at this point and add a little more sweetener if you prefer a sweeter gummy. Next, carefully pour the warm liquid into your gummy bear molds. A dropper or a small spoon can help with precision, ensuring each cavity is filled without overfilling. The final step is chilling and enjoying your homemade treats. Place the filled gummy bear molds into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once set, gently pop the natural gummy bears out of their molds. They should release easily, revealing their fun shapes. Store your delicious, natural gummy bears in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your wholesome, homemade snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.